Hello guys, have a good day everyone. How are you today? How how is your day? How's you doing guys? What are you doing? Keep on busy for at this moment. So guys, I'm just here just relaxing guys. Doon ako sa bahay guys. So ayun, tapos na tayo for today's guys. Andun, for today, busy tayo guys, yung araw natin. So, yun. So, I'm just back and get, relax. Yun guys, just relaxing and then miming at my side, sleeping. So, have a good day to all and everyone. Keep safe guys. Enjoy what are you doing. Keep doing. Yun lang guys.